for the sweat.
Governor ma Kaunti ma UASIN GISHU Jonathan B. Orlando nigi biro timo kwan jotije sirkand Kaunti no. Omedo nigi timo mae mano mar nono jomatie Kaunti no kawachore ni kwan joma ichulo ng'eny moloyo jomatiyo. Okwayo jomatie Kaunti no ero duto oneni ochopo e odiechieng' mitimo kwan makamano mondo kik wegi oko.
For being elected as the karibu sana, Mungu awabariki.
As we settle down, there are things that we need to start handling immediately, right? One, we shall be instituting a staff headcount and HR audits to ascertain who we have as our staff. It is common for every new administration. It's not a strange thing. You know, there are people that say, okay, we have ghost workers and all that. For us to prove that statement wrong, we will do head count. So make sure you are ever present wherever you work. Otherwise, you might be counted as a cost and you'll be deleted from the records of UASIN GISHU County government.